Psalm 91:11, for he will command his angels concerning you to guard you in all your ways.
Welcome back. This is the day after my arrival. Let me give you guys a short little room tour. I'm not going to give you a full walkthrough because the owners do live here. This is their private residence. So in respect for their privacy, I won't be showing y'all everything, okay? Glimpse of the rest of the place. It's really nice. This would make a really good vacation home. And the area is a really nice area. I love it. I'm not really feeling hungry. The hungry this morning, so I'm just gonna make some coffee and have this coconut roll thingy. I've never had this before, but apparently my mom likes them, so I took one from her. I'm gonna try it out this morning, and I might boil a couple eggs with it, 2 eggs, and have some coffee. Yeah, so I'm gonna go figure this out, and yes, I'm gonna go figure this out and chillax. Might take a swim later in the pool. That pool is calling my name, and this is what I'm looking like in the morning. I'm so looking forward to, I'm only here for a week. I'm so looking forward to some rest and relaxation. So I flew here from Jamaica because I was in Jamaica for 3 months. Can you believe that? And now I'm in Florida for 1 week, and then I'll be flying back home to Canada. Girl, I take plane night taxi now. Just kidding, but anyways, so just a little update for you guys to know what has been going on. But yeah, I lost my uncle in June. He died early June, and I went down to help out with the funeral arrangements and stuff like that. And I ended up being in Jamaica for 3 months because now it's September. That's June. I went down the ending of June. I was there for July, August, and now it's September. Yeah, so I came up to Florida yesterday. You may have seen a couple little footage of that when we were at the airport. I'll be here for a week, and then I'll be flying back to Toronto. I'm flying in at Toronto Pearson Airport, and then I'll be driving from there to my home destination. Okay. Yeah, guys, that's what has been up with me for the little bit that you haven't seen me. But the plan is to be more consistent going forward. Oh, but we'll see how that goes. Thank you guys so much for watching. But anyways, I'm gonna try to eat something, and I'm really just gonna chillax for the rest of the day. And I'm not here doing anything. I'm really just here for rest and relaxation. It's my first time coming to Florida and my first time visiting my family in Florida. Hopefully this will be the first of many trips to Florida. All right, so guys, you'll probably see me again when I'm gonna go take a dip in the pool. I don't know if that's gonna be today because I'm still very tired. I'm just gonna eat something and maybe go take a nap, and then later on when it's not so hot outside, I'll go try and take a dip in the pool. All right, catch you guys in a bit. I'm here just chilling outside near the pool, getting some fresh air. Nice sunny day. It was raining earlier. Just took a shower and came outside to get some fresh air. It's nice. And look what a friend of mine sent me. This is an old photo from my college days in Jamaica. Next day, and I came to the dollar store to come pick up a few things with my niece. That's her right there. She's a bit camera shy.
A big different thing, and we're done.
Sorry, I capture footage. Me. We're at the dollar store in Florida. Came to the dollar store with my niece. Later that evening, we had a little karaoke session. That was fun. Next day, and I'm home alone, and it's raining. Today was a rainy day. I was thinking to go to and have a swim, but then it started raining, so I'm really just sitting here watching the rain, listening and watching the rain. This is one of my favorite pastimes, to just sit down and listen and watch the rain. It's only because I don't want to catch a cold. I probably would have gone outside
blessings go fall on me. Blessings go fall on me. When it's dark, I like gold cover me. Voices in my head say no, just between times.
And this was on my last day. I wanted to get some exercise done because I didn't get to work out the whole time I was here. And I honestly wasn't feeling it. Because remember I told you my chest was extremely tight. So I didn't want to be doing anything too extreme. It's October 4th and here I'm heading back to the airport. It's the same airport that I flew into. I'm flying from the Hollywood airport. Pretty used to traveling on my own, but I don't normally like to. That's why my face look like this right here. So while I was waiting on my flight, I got a little snack and went to see if I could find some souvenirs. So I picked up these two keyrings and my keyrings and my keyring collection. Can you believe I paid $20 for these two keyrings? It was like $10 each. Since when keyring gets so expensive? Florida expensive, man. Usually I'm able to get a keyring for roughly the most sometimes $5. And there was a time when I could get keyrings for like $1, $2 or so. But them two keyring here, they cost me $20. So we have boarded and now I'm just waiting. Look at that. My face looks so different the 1 week I spent in Florida. I look so rested, so relaxed. You realize I've been rocking this headband wig here for a while. It's been my go-to here for the past little bit because it's so quick and easy. Don't have to worry about gluing down my edges and all these things. I literally just redo the front part of my hair. Kind of like a cornrow or cane row, but I twist it instead. And it's been working out for me. Very low maintenance. I like it. Really cute. And that was my trip to Florida. Nothing too extravagant. I really just went for some rest and relaxation, guys. That's really what my trip was about, to just have some me time and just chillax. So it's really late in the afternoon. This is probably the latest I've ever flown. I think my flight was maybe, 6 o'clock or something of the sort. Something thereabout. But I got to Toronto really late in the night. I believe I got there like around after 11. And my boo was at the airport waiting for me. It was so exciting. I didn't get to show all of that because I was really out of it. I was just tired and wanted to get home. I'm just excited to see my boo. But this is it for this vlog and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!